Let's learn how to make your own sound on Snapchat. If you want to create your original sound but don't know how, you don't need to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is check if your Snapchat is updated. If you're using an iPhone, you can check this in the App Store. And if you're an Android user, go to Google Play. If it's updated, we can start. The first thing you need to do is open the Snapchat app. When you open Snapchat, you'll be on the camera screen. On that screen, you need to record a video. After recording the video, you need to click on the music icon, which is located on the right side along with some other icons. When you click on that icon, a screen with some sounds will open. On that screen, you need to click on the Create Sound option, which is located above the sounds in the popular section. When you click on the Create Sound option, a menu with two options will appear. If you want to add a video with some music from your gallery, click on the first option. If you want to record a song that you're playing on another device, click on the second option. I'll click on the first option, and you click on what you want. If you click on the first option, a screen with all the videos from your gallery will open. On that screen, you need to find the video from which you want to add the sound. When you find it, you need to click on the video you want to add as a sound. When you click on it, a screen will open where you need to enter a name for that sound. After you do that, click on the blue button Save Sound, and that's it. You've created a sound that you can use in your videos. That was a tutorial on how to create your original sound on Snapchat. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.